choir got started, we ran an inpatient aphasia-friendly choir, which was Wales's first rehabilitation choir back in 2019. So I was introduced to Vicky Gowes, our wonderful neurologic music therapist, by one of the stroke consultants on the unit. And we began exploring ways of introducing music into the rehabilitation of our patients. And the aphasia-friendly choir is the one we came up with.
So there's a growing research base around how singing can help people with communication difficulties with a range of neurological conditions, including post-stroke, but also with Parkinson's and those who've experienced a traumatic brain injury.
Well, I got involved with the choir having had a stroke. I was at Llandloch Hospital and Esther was working on the ward and mentioned her ideas about a choir. And she said she would contact me, and I never thought for 1 minute that she would ever contact me, but she did. And once I was in, I was in.
After the inpatient choir, so we're kind of on the success really of that, we really wanted to set up a community-based choir, and we were very lucky to get some funding from Cardiff Met University. So as part of a partnership that we have with Cardiff Met, so NHS, Cardiff Met, the education providers and the private sector, our neurologic music therapy, we set up the Cardiff and Vale aphasia-friendly choir.
Since the choir, doing a few things at the same time has improved, so it's definitely helped me. It's also allowed me to build confidence to sing. You know, I guess the idea was that by trying through a rehab choir, that then hopefully, not now, but in the future, I may be able to join a mainstream choir.
I think it's helped me to accept my limitations and to be among like-minded individuals.
A lot of people find it much easier to sing rather than speak, particularly when they've had a stroke or a traumatic brain injury or have communication difficulties resulting from a neurological condition. And not just that, but the sense of belonging, the participation, the community that the choir creates is something really special.
We have seen such an improvement for people around their confidence in their communication, as well as the development of a community, and I would love to expand this into other areas and other parts of the rehab journey.
It's given me a little bit of confidence and a little bit more understanding of myself, that I have to be patient with myself as well and not expect too much from me as well as other people.
How difficult it can be when you are desperate to get your words out, but your physical limitations may hamper your ability to do that. So it's just about, as the song says, giving us patience and time to share our thoughts and feelings.